Good afternoon. It's Christina with Dragonflyz Ozark Homestead, and I just wanted to show you a quick video on how to make alcohol-based hand sanitizer yourself at home. It's only rubbing alcohol, which it says 99%, but I have 91%, pure aloe vera gel, essential oil, a mixing bowl, spoon, funnel, plastic container, which I'm putting it in a mason jar. So you can also use witch hazel. So I'm back, sorry about that, I had to pause for a minute. So I have pure aloe vera gel. I bought 2 of these off of Amazon, and 91% alcohol. I used all my lavender and all my other essential oils. I have frankincense, so I'll use that. And a canning jar with a funnel. So you mix 2/3 of a cup of rubbing alcohol. You can do this at home just in case you need hand sanitizer, which we use all the time. And they're out at the stores, which right now I don't believe they're out, but I wanted to give y'all this anyways. And this stuff is great. And it's way cheaper than going and buying hand sanitizer at the store. And you can double this recipe, which I usually do, but I'm just doing a quick video to show everybody. So then you want to put 8 to 10 drops of essential oil. And I use a bunch just to cut down on the alcohol smell more than anything else. Which of course frankincense is good anyways. And just take it, and I don't use a new lid. I had apples in this. I just washed it and reuse it because I'm going to put it in my holder over my bathroom sink. So that's it. And it comes out liquid enough to where you can squeeze it. You can put it in your squeeze bottle for your purse, your pocket, your dispenser. You can refill your bottles from the store. And there it is. I need to put more essential oil because it still has a strong alcohol smell. I usually use like peppermint or lavender usually lavender. Or lemon. Oops. My floor's clean. So that's it. So here's the recipe one more time. And this came from WikiHow. And there is one for witch hazel. Like I said, it says 99% rubbing alcohol, but I just use whatever I have that's 91% or up. So that's it. Hope y'all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, like and share, subscribe if you haven't subscribed already, and help support the channel. I'm just getting it started and trying to think of content. So if there's anything you would like to see, please let me know in the comments below. Thank you and have a blessed day.